Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deeplina and in today's video I will be sharing with you how to wear your lenses. Now if you are a beginner in lenses, I know that you are definitely struggling in wearing lenses because I used to struggle a lot when I started out wearing my lenses, but I have been wearing my lenses since the last 7 or 8 years now. So I have a pretty good experience with lenses, and some days I just wear my lens in no time and some days I do struggle wearing my lenses as well. So if you are a beginner and you are still struggling wearing lenses, it is pretty normal. As per me, I feel that it takes about 1 or 2 months to be normal with wearing lenses in the beginning, but once that period is over, you will be wearing your lenses in no time, just like me. So today I will be sharing my way of wearing lenses with you guys. It is a very simple and beginner friendly process. Now the lens that I have been currently using is this one. This is by the brand Mia Care and it is Mia Care Delight, and it comes in this beautiful box like this. Now I have been using these lenses for quite some time now and I have actually been loving these lenses. These are very good quality lenses. Now because I wear my lenses on a daily basis, that is the reason I prefer my lenses to be the 30 days disposable lenses, and these are the ones. So let me show you the content of this particular box. So as you can see, it comes in a very sleek box like this with all of the details mentioned out here and also some over here. So when you open this up, you get about 6 lenses like this. So as you can see, there is only one set over here, so there are 3 lenses and you get another set of 3 lenses, so you get about a total of 6 lenses, which is 3 pair of lenses. So currently, as you can see, I am using 2 pair of these because I have the same power on both my eyes. Now the other reasons why I really like this particular lens is that it has an ultra high oxygen transmissibility, which means that it helps to the flow of oxygen into your eyes through these lenses, which is actually good for your eyes. Another thing is that it is deposit resistant, so there will be no droplet or no vaporization or anything near your eyes, so it will not get blurred. It will be properly intact into your eyes. Also this has UV blocking protection, which is a very good thing, and also it has a water content of about 47%, so it is very good for your eyes. Now also another thing which I personally really loved about this particular lens is the thickness of this particular lens is actually perfect. It is thick enough so that it will not break, and it is also, you know, not that thick that it will irritate your eyes. So whenever you are applying these lenses, you won't really feel anything on your eyes, but they actually have a perfect thickness so that it will not be weak or it will not crumble or break or anything like that. So I'm very sure that these lenses will not get damaged that easily, and also do not exceed your lens wearing period. If it says 30 days, then do wear it for 30 days only. Do not extend it, because as my personal experience, extending your lens wearing period is not a good thing for your eyes, so please don't do so. So now let's finally start on how to put on your lenses. So as you can see that I actually wear a very high powered glasses, and I will be removing this glasses and wearing the lenses, but before that I want to mention some points which you have to be careful about. So the first thing that I want to mention is that this is how I personally put in my lenses. I'm not telling this is the only method in the world to put in your lenses. This has always worked for me, and from the beginning I have put in my lenses in this particular way. The second thing that I want to mention is that, as you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face, neither do I have any eye makeup. So I always prefer wearing my makeup after I put in my lenses. The simple reason being is that when you are applying the lenses and you are also a beginner, you might get a bit of water secretion from your eyes, and if you have makeup on, it is going to ruin your makeup. Also, getting a little bit of water secretion in your eyes when you are wearing lenses is pretty normal in the initial days, because in the initial days your eyes is not suited to the lenses, so they might retain some water. And what is not normal is my third point, which is when you get any sort of irritation on your eyes on a regular basis. Like maybe on the first day you might feel an irritation. Even if you are continuing to face that particular irritation for 2, 3, 4 days, then that means that lens is not suiting you at all, and you should definitely get checked with a doctor. And lenses are very subjective. It might suit a certain set of people and it might not suit a certain set of people, so you need to be very careful about that, and you should get it checked by a doctor if you are facing any sort of irritation on your eyes. Coming to my fourth point, I want to mention is that you have to start with clean hands. So make sure you wash your hands with a good hand wash and then only start putting in your lenses. Also, I do not recommend you to use any kind of sanitizer before applying your lenses, because I feel that is not right. So just a good hand wash will be good to go for you. The fifth and the last thing which I have to mention, but I am currently not following, is that if you have long nails like this, please do cut your nails before you are applying your lenses, because you might tend to poke your eyes and also poke the lenses, so that is not really safe. And that was all the things that I had to mention to you. Now let's get started on how to wear your lenses. So the things which you would definitely need is, of course, your solution, whichever you prefer, your lenses in the lens case, and of course a mirror, because that is very important. You have to take your solution and you have to take it on your hand like this, because I like cleaning my lenses before I apply it. So let me just take off my glasses. So you have to take your lenses, put it in this particular water and just let it float so that it does go ahead and clean well. Over here I am using the Mia Care lenses, and then you just have to take this lenses on your hand and just flip this so that it is like this on your hand in a U shape, as you can see. And now just take your mirror, and what you have to do is you have to take this particular finger and then pull your eyes and pop it in. You need to keep your eyes closed for a certain time so that it just normalizes. As you can see, I am also having certain secretion from my eyes, which is pretty normal because in lockdown I do not wear lenses that often and my eyes are not very used to right now. So yes, as you can see, the lens is on and there is no other problem or no other irritation that I am feeling. Now in the second attempt, I'll show you how you will be using two hands to apply your lenses. Now I will be holding my eyes with one and popping in the lens with the other. So I'll do the same thing. I will be taking the solution, putting it in my hand. Now of course you need to clean your lenses because you are putting that into your eyes and you have to go ahead and clean it. I will just take this, flip it on my finger. As you can see, this is how the lens looks like. Now this might look a little creepy, but with this hand I will be opening my eyes and putting in the lens. You can go ahead and rotate it accordingly if you want to, and as you can see, the lenses are on and I don't have to wear my ugly glasses anymore. Also, these Mia Care lenses are very soft and delicate on the eyes. It pops in very easily, and when you have applied this on your eyes, you won't actually feel a thing or you won't even understand that you are wearing lenses. So yes, these are actually really good lenses to wear. And that's all for the demo of how to apply your lenses. Also do check out Mia Care Delight lenses. These lenses are really good and they are easily available on Amazon, and you will be getting some amazing deals on Amazon as well. I will be putting all of the links in the description box down below. Definitely check that out. And that's all for this particular video. If you have any other questions regarding these particular lenses or regarding lens in general, then definitely leave that down in the comment sections down below. If you want me to create any other lens related content, then definitely put that down in the comment sections. I would love to do that for you guys. And also give this video a big like if you liked this particular video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.